Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add block bars onto your videos on your CapCut PC to make it look like more cinematic. So let's begin. So here we are. And now from here, what we're gonna do is we have here our clip that we will be using for this example. So let's add two clips so that this would be more longer. This one right here is that one. And for that, you want to go click here on effects because we will be adding an effect right here called cinema. It's under lens. Click here on video effects, then lens right here, and then you want to go find cinema right here, and you want to export it into your timeline right here, the cinema effect. And now you have automatically have a black bar effect. And when you play it, it will be like this. But as you can see in the intro of it, once it starts, it has a moving black bars until it goes like this, and you can't really adjust how tall or how deep the black is right here, the black bar is. So if you're satisfied with this, then you can just use this effect, but if not, then you can create your own black bar. So it's real simple. All you have to do, go into media and go into library and go here for the black right here, for the black screen right here. And all you have to do basically is go into basic right here under video, and you just simply need to put this up right here, and this will serve as your top black bar right here. And you will duplicate this, so hold your alt button right there, and then you want to move this again, and then right here, and then there you go. You now have your black bar right here, and you can also animate this if you'd want to. So from here, you can animate each black bar right here. So let's say in the beginning. So let's just fix the duration of this right here. And yeah, just like that, you now have a black bar. And if you want to animate it, you can animate it just like this one. So if you want it to be in the intro, so in the beginning right here, we're going to keyframe the position right here. Let's say this would be right here, not showing yet. And then position. And then for about 5 frames maybe, or when it reaches 1 second right here, or maybe just here. Let's see. And then we want to adjust the black bar again, black bar, and we can adjust the position right here. Sorry, right here it's y-axis. And now let's see. Right here, we want it for about right here, there. So let's go and play it again, and let's see. And that is how it would move. And for the other black bar right here, let's go for position. Let's position it again right here. Sorry, this is quite hard. Right here, let's just undo it right here. And let's just hide this upper bar right there. And then go into the beginning again and position the keyframe for the position, and then right here and drag the bar, the black bar right here into where you want. So let's go for it's really hard to do it here in CapCut right here, maybe 200, 300. No, that was wrong. Wait. Let's undo it right here. Undo. Right there. And then you want to go move into the keyframe right here. And then you want to adjust it again into 200 and 300. Or that's what's wrong. Just like that. And then you want to just level it into the one that is in the bottom right there. So maybe like this. And when you play it, it will now be like this. And as you can see, that is basically how you can add it in your intro, or you can also do the same in the outro, but in reverse. So yeah, that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.